Today we're going to review problems involving molarity. Formula for molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by liter of solution. Let's look at the first problem. Calculate the molarity of solution if there are 1.5 moles of NaCl in 2.3 liter of solution. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to underline the given information, 1.5 moles, 2.3 liters. And we are finding molarity. So this is a direct plug and chug. We know that molarity equals moles per liter. So all I have to do is substitute 1.5 divided by 2.3. I'm going to do a quick calculation. My calculator, I'm going to plug in 1.5 divided by 2.3. That gives me 0.65 molar solution. So that's an uppercase M. And that's your final answer. Okay, let's look at problem. Reads, how many moles of sucrose would be in 8.7 liter of a 1.1 molar solution of sucrose? So I'm going to underline what's given, 8.7, 1.1 M. So I'm finding moles of sucrose. So I know that molarity is equal to moles per liter. I know molarity is 1.1 M. Moles is my unknown. I divide that by 8.7 liters. So rearranging equation, moles will be equal to 1.1 times 8.7. Let's do the calculation. 1.1 times 8.7 is 9.5 moles. And that's your final answer. Let's look at the next problem. How many grams of CaF2 are present in 1.25 liter of 0.15 molar solution of CaF2? So let's underline 1.25, 0.1 M. But in this case, I have to find out grams. So with the formula, I can find out moles. So that'll be our first step. Let's do that. So 0.15 moles divided by 1.25 liters. So the moles will be equal to 1.25 times 0.15, which is 0.1875 moles of CaF2. But I need to find grams. So let's set up our calculation. To go from moles to grams, I begin with moles. That's my given information now. I have moles on the top, so I need 1 mole on the bottom. And I need grams of CaF2, which will be the molar mass of CaF2. Now calcium is 40. Fluorine is 19 times 2, since I have 2 fluorides. 38 plus 40 is 78. So 78 grams for 1 mole. Let's multiply 0.18 0.75 times 78. That will be 14.6 grams, and that's your final answer. Last problem. It's asking what is the molarity of a solution that is made by adding 57.3 grams of magnesium oxide to 500 mils of a solution. So I've been given the mass, I've been given the volume in milliliters. So I have two conversions to make. I first have to convert the mass to moles. So the molar mass of magnesium oxide, magnesium is a 24, oxygen is a 16. That gives me 40 grams. So 57.3 divided by 40, which is 1.43 moles. The next conversion is converting milliliters to liters. So 1 liter has 1,000 milliliters. How much is 500 milliliters? So that is 0.5 liters. You have moles, you have liters. So now plug and chug. Molarity is moles by liter. So it's 1.43 divided by 0.5. 1.43 divided by 0.5, which is 2.86 molar. And that's your final answer.